Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the AOLON Watch Curve 3 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo on one of its smart feature, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. So this smartwatch do have a music control function. So we'll check this, we'll try and see if it works with a popular applications such as Spotify, YouTube Music, and our built-in music player. So if you are interested to see the demo, watch this video, and if you find this video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have a demo of the Bluetooth music control function. So we have here the music control. Seems like there's no more settings here. Bluetooth is disconnected. So let's check first. Let's open the app here. We have the JU Pro. Are we paired? Yes, we are paired here. Let's check if there are some settings for the music control. I don't see any settings here. Bluetooth is disconnected. Let's check here. Okay. Watch sound. Again, let's check. Music control. Still, we are disconnected. Let's check the settings. We have the AOLON curve here. We are connected. Okay, seems like everything is okay now. Media audio. Oh, let's try. Let's test. Let's go for our built-in music player. Let's play. And it is working, as you can see here. We do have the volume adjustment. Next. Okay. We have the title here. And then go forward and go backward. It's a bit slow, but it is working, as you can see here. Go back. So we have the title here. Can stop and play. Stop. So it is working with our built-in music player. Next, let's try to test it on YouTube application. We have here a video. Yes, it is showing here, as you can see, the title. Let's skip the ad. Adjust the volume. Play. And we have here the scrolling title of the video. Next. And start small. At GoDaddy, we help you take that first step. Skip. Stop. Okay, so the volume adjustment here works with our smartwatch. As well as you can see the title here. You can go forward and go backward. So it works with the YouTube app. Next, let's have the YouTube music. To avoid any copyright issues, we'll not increase the volume here. So let's try. Let's pick a different song here. Play. Thinking out loud. Yes, it's working. Next. Okay, so it goes forward, as you can see here. Someone you loved. Next. Let her. Play. Yes, it is playing. Stop. Next. Stop. Okay. So it works with the YouTube Music also. Last one, let's see if it works with Spotify app. Hopefully it will work with Spotify also. Again, we will not increase the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Let's try with this one. Okay, Lover. Does it work? Taylor Swift. Again. So we have an ad here, and as you can see, it's also showing it here in our smartwatch. Let's wait for it. Play. Pause. Let's wait for it to finish. Then next. Okay, so it is working. As you can see, we do have the name of the singer and we have the title here. Stop. Next. Next. Pause. Play. Okay, the response is a bit slow, but it is working. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth music control function. And as you can see here, based on the video, it works with our built-in music player, the YouTube app, YouTube Music, Spotify. So that's it for the demo of the AOLON or the AOLON Watch Curve 3 smartwatch with a Bluetooth music control function. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.